Hi everyone, it's Sandhya and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So आज की वीडियो होने वाली है this very beautiful glowing hydrated makeup look using very minimal products. So let's just get started. So the first secret for a glowy makeup is that apply a lot of moisturizer to your skin so that your skin is hydrated. After that I've applied this glowy primer from Maybelline. इससे instantly आपकी skin बहुत ही ज़्यादा glowy and hydrated लगने लगती है. And after that I've applied this Maybelline concealer in the shade caramel. This one is closest to my skin tone and I've applied a very minimal amount of this concealer just to cover the pigmentation and the acne marks. And you can see काफ़ी ज़्यादा face अभी भी glowy लग रहा है and plus the coverage is also decent. After that I am going to apply this blush from Swiss Beauty and this one is hell pigmented. So I've applied the same जो भी मेरे fingers पे लगा था on my eyelids to give a very flushed up and even tone look. And then after that I've dabbed the blush area with the same beauty blender so that skin intensity थोड़ी कम हो जाए. And for my eyes I just did a little bit of wing liner and some mascara and my eyes are complete and they look so popped up and so gorgeous. Anyways, moving towards the other products, so I forgot to contour my nose, so I just take this brown eyeshadow and usse मैं अपनी nose contour कर लूँगी. After that, moving towards the lip, first I'm going to outline my lips using this Wet n Wild chestnut lip liner. I really like the color of this lip liner, so after applying this I am going to apply this Blue Heaven lipstick in the shade Chocolate Swirl. Now this has a very beautiful pink nude color, and over this lipstick I'm going to apply this Lakme in the shade Brown Souvenir, and this is how the complete look has turned out. It looks so minimal yet so glowy and hydrated, and also to give more glowiness to my skin, I'm just going to apply a little bit of highlighter over my lids, on my nose and on the cheekbone area to give that glowy finish. And this is how the look has turned out. I really hope this video was helpful for you all, and I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. This was a very minimal 2-minute makeup look for winters, and I'll see you guys with that to my next video. Bye bye.